Hello everyone! Today, I will introduce you to one powerful SupaElements visual feature, which allows you to create a clickable image in your checkout with just a few simple clicks. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever new app tutorials are available. And make sure to set your video quality to HD for the best viewing experience. The SupaElements feature I'm talking about is the Image Simple available to all Shopify Plus members. This feature empowers users to create clickable images within the checkout flow with remarkable ease, ultimately improving user engagement and conversion rates. Also, you can customize the actions to connect with the image from a simple, adding a product to the cart, to applying a discount, to offering gifts, removing products and more. So many options with a few clicks, but let's see how easy it is to create this type of element in the checkout. And, specifically for this demonstration, we are going to add a discount code to the checkout if the cart is over 1,000 simply by clicking the image. From the SupaElements dashboard, we can create a new element either from this button here at the top right or directly from the Checkout Elements window using this Create button. Now, in the Dynamic Elements section, scroll a bit down to the Image Simple and click on this button. This opens the configuration page. The first thing to decide is the title, which is mandatory, and will be used to connect it to our checkout element later. Then, we define the condition under which the offer will be displayed if it is met. We can also create multiple conditions and decide whether to make all mandatory using the AND button here or make them optional using the OR button. In this example, we'll use only one condition and choose cart total for an amount greater than $1,000. Now I'm going to select the image to show in the static content window. This will be the image we will show in the checkout. If you are wondering where to find or load more images you want to show, you simply need to go here on Content, on the left menu, open the File section, and in the top right corner, you'll see the Upload Files button. Click on it to add as many pictures as you want from your computer. As you can see, you will have the image in the file list. Now let's choose the action that our image will trigger. Click on Action here and then this blue Add Action button. It will show this new section. Click on Add Item to Cart here, and a simple picker menu will appear. As you can see, you have the possibility to choose the best action to associate with the image. We will choose Apply the discount code. But you can take your time to see all the options we offer to find what better suits your needs. By clicking on Set Value here in the Codes window, I can add the code discount I want to apply to the cart, and I'll use the code SNOW. Of course, the code discount needs to be already created and active on your store. The last window gives us the possibility to schedule the offer for a specific period of time, days, or even just a few hours. But at the moment, we'll leave it turned off. Okay, now I activate this dynamic element here and click Save, and our offer is ready. Let's copy the name of the element and let's set it in the checkout page. The last thing we need to decide is the position of our offer, and to do this, we go directly to customize the checkout page of our store, grab the SupaElements app block and drop it wherever we prefer. Now let's connect the element. Open the element by clicking on it, and here in Element Name, we paste the title of our newly created element. We save the page, and done. Our element is now running on our checkout. Let's see what it looks like in our store. From the store, I go to buy products for a total amount above 1,000 and move to the checkout. Here, as the checkout loads, the first thing I see is the image I created. If I click the image, the code discount is automatically applied to the cart and also the related discount. Simple and easy. Obviously, if the amount of the cart does not match our condition, this image will not be present checkout, as you can see. With SupaElements, it is really easy and fast to create powerful image offers of any kind for your customers. With a few simple clicks, you will increase the possibility of upsell, offering an appealing and surprising experience to your customers. Ready to improve your customers' shopping experience? Activate any plans and remember you have 7-day free trial to test it. If you need help, our support team is always available, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever new app tutorials are available.